So what's going on, man? We back with my man Mitch. He back off leave, you know what I'm saying? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. We got the goddamn John boat out today, y'all. We're gonna try to do some damage to it, man. Some good damage though, you know what I mean? So we're actually gonna be switching out. If I can get this open. Yep, it opens up just fine. So we got us some bulge pump cables, because the ones in the back, take a look at this right quick. I'm gonna turn the camera around one sec, see if y'all can see this. I don't know if you can see it that good, but anyway, can you hold that real quick?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, G. So like the cable, we're gonna get deep up in here, y'all. So this cable right here has like a little hole in it, right? So we're gonna switch this cable out with the new cables, so to make sure the bulge pump works. We have a 360 gallon per hour bulge pump in here, so it should get all the water out all the time. And then we're also gonna take yeah, so that's the first thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna try to figure that out. Hope y'all enjoy this. Appreciate everybody watching the channel. Everything's been going live. The camera quality is probably weird right now because the sun's like in a weird angle, but we're gonna get to it. We're gonna be right back. So we're about to get real surgical. So we're gonna try to take this off because we think this is holding the whole piece right here down. So we're gonna try to take this piece off, lift it up, and get this bulge pump fixed in the back over here. So we're gonna get this.
That might be the one screw that's holding down everything.
It's stuck in there like an angle almost, huh?
Yeah. Let's see if I can get it down.
You might hit it from an angle, yeah. Big money. Where that screw at? Alright, I'll move the camera, y'all, because we're gonna try to lift this thing up.
It's not it.
That's not what's holding it down?
I'm confused what's holding it down.
It's probably this glue. I'm telling you, it's probably all this glue and this. And we gotta get to this bulge pump. Let's go tell the people. All right, y'all, so this is what we're gonna do. So we came to the conclusion, y'all. Y'all see me either sinking or swimming, I don't know. So what we're gonna do is, let me get right here so y'all can see. So the hole is right here, right? Trying to get it for y'all better. That's the hole right there.
Because we can put water right there and test it too.
Where? Oh yeah, in there. So that's the hole right there, y'all. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut this piece right here. We're just gonna replace this one hose. So we're gonna take this hose, the new hose, just put it right here with this one. So put it inside here, clamp it down with one of these, and then just change this hose out right here, and then hopefully everything works out fine. So that's what we're gonna do, man. Getting snapping quick, huh? Cutting him up. Oh, it's official. I don't have a bulge pump now. Let me put this over here so I can help.
Flat head for that right there.
Oh,
yeah, there it is. Good now.
There you go.
Put more of this pipe through there. There it is. You can sit there right there.
Uh-oh. Roll it truth, bro. You want me to take? I need to screw these off. Huh?
Yeah.
So that screwdriver in the car.
Yeah, there should be another one. There, that's the hole. It was right here. It wasn't down at the bottom. It was on just one little pipe. I found the other hole.
Oh yeah.
That's where it was spewing out right there. So
just gonna take that whole piece off there. Yeah. Shoot, might be able to reuse that clamp, huh?
Yep.
I ain't trying to make him do all the work, but he's just so smart. So you're taking this off. We're gonna chop this up, replace it, and we're gonna see what's shake, man.
We're gonna probably put a little bit more length on this one right here, just in case, because I think that might be where it broke, or
because it was just too tight.
Yeah.
So, what you want to do?
Let's see this piece right here, and then it's good that it's a little bit thinner too, because you might just be able to slide that hole right up in there.
Well, you're not gonna use that one, are you? You putting that in there?
Yeah, I'm just seeing like the hole.
Oh yeah, you straight. Like a little bent though, but
it's a little bent, but
you want to just put it on that side first, and then I guess we can see what we need. Oh yeah, that look good. Oh yeah.
And I think that's where you might have broke that too, right there. Just putting that bitch on there.
Too much pressure.
Oh, my hands.
I know, we got to send the car to this one off. Take a little 15.
There it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think I'll be on there too deep. Go ahead.
It's on there. Motherfucker.
What happened?
I didn't put this motherfucker on there.
You gotta put that on first? No, you can wrap it around, can't you?
You can.
Oh no, you can't. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you gotta be able to, cause this one don't. Oh no, maybe it does. Cause this, yeah. Here you go. Huh?
I think it'll slide out though. Yeah, it'll slide out.
Well, you don't want to take it all the way out, do you? That might make it hard to put back on. Huh? We'll just take this off.
That bitch is on there. Well, this is an old one right here, so to hopefully prevent.
I got this other new one out, so.
Yeah, hopefully to prevent.
Hopefully we can flex and seal this.
Well, I think it's definitely gonna work. Like, this is the only thing that we needed to make sure.
How are you gonna put that on there though?
What do you mean?
And lock it down?
On right here?
Because when it just squished the plastic.
We can probably get a piece like this, you know what I mean?
I'll just go to the store and buy one.
Something like that to like allow us to like put some pressure on it.
Yeah, so we probably have to wait through the rest of it.
Because I mean,
no, 100%. So this is a good idea. So it's because once we put one of those middle pieces right here, and then we can take these last two clamps and put one on like, you know, this side of it, and then another on the other side, and then that should make it fix.
And I think, I mean, if you could have more of that pipe in there, I mean, you don't necessarily need that much.
But yeah, but more is better, maybe, so it's not as tight.
You need
that ain't gonna work.
I mean, this is a bigger hole though.
Yeah, but still, you gotta put a lot of pressure on that little thing.
True.
So we just gonna have to buy one of them clamps. Yeah, just don't worry about it. Yeah, you straight. All right, y'all, so this is how far we made it.
Got the boo-boo piece off.
Oh shoot. I gotta do it from this angle. I don't know. The sun is freaking crazy. So, ow. Let's see if we can get this right. Okay, there you go. So, changed out this cord, this one right here, right? On this little L-shaped clamp, right?
Yeah.
So we just put new piping on here, clamped it down, and so we still have the piece that's going to the outside of the boat where the water's going to kind of pump out to. I don't know if y'all can see that. So what we're going to do is buy another L-shape, put it in there, and then connect this to it, and then clamp it down on both sides, and then that should fix all that. And then we'll have more cord for the bulge pump in the back of the boat, you know, just some leisure, some space, and maybe that'll relieve some pressure off of how much water is getting pushed out of the boat so the cord doesn't like break over time. What you think?
Yeah, I think so too. I think honestly, I mean, if you look at this, it looks like I don't understand why we even now I'm thinking about why we have this corner right here, you know.
Oh, you're saying just use that corner right there and just take that whole line off? Yeah,
because I mean this is old and this was breaking on us, so I don't necessarily see why we even need that now that I'm looking at it, you know. But I mean,
yeah, that means you gotta take everything off.
Which I mean.